Hi everyone, my name is Vidit Goel and today I will be presenting our work Pair Diffusion, a comprehensive multimodal object-level image editor. In this work, we propose a general framework to enable object-level editing in diffusion models. Our framework supports various editing capabilities under a single model trained once. Lastly, we also propose a multimodal classifier-free guidance to control all the editing operations using both text and images. Pair diffusion is motivated from the observation that images can be seen as composition of various objects. Further, each object can be defined using various properties such as shape, category, appearance, and lighting. Having this observation, we aim to have control over properties of each object individually and enable object-level editing. We further identified that structure and appearance are some of the most intuitive and useful properties for editing, and hence we focus on controlling them. We show that this naturally leads to a general and comprehensive image editor supporting various editing operations such as editing shape, appearance, adding objects, localized free-form shape editing, and object-level image variations. We design a framework such that user has full control over various editing operations. We represent an image as an amalgamation of objects where each object is represented using structure and appearance. We aim to learn a model that can generate images conditioned on these object properties. We define structure using category and shape and use panoptic segmentation model to get them for each object in the image. Appearance is calculated using features of initial layers of a pre-trained image encoder by pooling the features using object mask. We use a combination of VGG and Dino as image encoders to capture both low-level and high-level appearance characteristics of the object. We can formulate various editing operations within a unified framework using our object-level representation of image. It is interesting to note that we have made no assumption about the architecture. Hence, our formulation is general and can be used with any diffusion model. Training a diffusion model to implement a framework is straightforward. Given an image dataset, we can use our method to extract structure and appearance of each object for each image. Next, we can train our diffusion model in conditional manner using concatenation or control net depending on the type of diffusion model we are using. During inference, the user can freely edit the images at the object level in a precise manner. When using our framework with stable diffusion, we enable multimodal control by proposing multimodal classifier-free guidance. Using our formulation, user can individually control the effect of reference image and text using guidance scale parameters. We conduct experiments on unconditional image generation model and foundational text-to-image models, namely stable diffusion. We start by showing the results on unconditional diffusion model. We can see that our model can precisely edit the objects and follow the appearance of reference image even if it is a painting or a texture image which was never seen during the training. Here are some more results on appearance editing. Here are some results on structure editing. For stable diffusion, we use ControlNet to implement our framework and train the model on 118,000 images from CocoStuff dataset. We show comparison of a model with previous works on appearance editing, and it can be seen that our model outperforms the previous methods and also have multimodal control. Here we show results on adding objects and shape editing. Compared to previous methods, our model precisely follows the input shape and appearance of the reference image. Here are some results on object-level variations. We also conducted ablation study on our multimodal classifier-free guidance, and we can see that a standard formulation fails to show the effect of text in the edited images, even if the guidance scale is increased. This shows the efficacy of our proposed multimodal classifier-free guidance. We have released our models and code. Please feel free to check them out. Thanks for listening.